person wanted a Halloween delivery, since Halloween is super soon. Let's see. Ooh, this cat squishy. Perfect. Ooh, this pumpkin. Perfect for the season. This watch hat. Don't forget a Year Fan Freebie 500 subscriber special. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Let's go pit, because I don't want to steal. Let's get my money out. Let's pay. Come on, Tail, open up! Open! Oh, finally. Here you go, too. Now time for the tips. Let's go back to the order. We're here. They asked for dark green confetti, just like zombies. Let's start with the cat. Very squishy. Next, the pumpkin. Yummy. Next, the witch hat. And last but not least, the youth from more freebies, some perfume samples. Very nice. Bye, squishies. There's a label printed on. Site call is actually cute stickers. Bye-bye for now.